What we do in the cosmetology program is it's a 2-year program, and the students do hair, nails, skin to be able to take a license test at the end of the 2-year program.
My favorite part of cosmetology is just the relationship with all the other girls in here. It's like a small family, kind of like just a community, and we all just like laugh and joke around all day.
I would say students should take this class because it's you get your license before you graduate or right after you graduate, which a lot of people are spending $20,000 to take it private, and our students are taking it and actually graduating with a license beforehand. They can choose to do this while they're in college, or they're getting a head start.
Everything moves like very fast paced in here, like if we're like in the lab and stuff, or like if we're having a lab day, which means like we have clients and stuff.
So some of our students go to college, some of our students work in the salon, they go do an internship in the salon, or they do both. They work their way through school and they become professionals, own their own business.